Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Taurus? On Monday, you need career counseling at the stage of your career and to sharpen your skills. Attending short courses, workshops, or lectures, etc., will help you in your goals, and this is a good time to get involved with groups even if you don't think of yourself as a group person, as you will find that you have much to learn from them in a very positive way. Work should be going very well provided you are able to be organized and work within the rules. On Tuesday, you are a lucky person in relationships as the people around you hear you with respect and value your ideas. Professional and personal, both the fronts, you live life king size. In love, you make impression on your partner with your positive and honest approach. Your love blooms in the right direction. There will be richness in all your dealings. You feel the warmth and affection of near and dear ones, and in return you share. On Wednesday, plans made that can be developed for the future will be best at the moment, as you will be troubled by hidden opposition or inclined to trip over your own feet. Give plans or schemes a little time to come to fruition. The second half of the day will really move you ahead. In the meantime, do the formal or responsible stuff at the start, then enjoy leisure time with friends. A meal together and perhaps a show or theatrical entertainment will be just the thing you want to do today. Venus moves into your sign too, so you will be the apple of everyone's eye over the next few days. Your personal magnetism and physical charm will be well and truly boosted. Your charm, willingness to cooperate, and sense of humor make a big difference. Attending a concert, art, or fashion show may be in the agenda. Take it quietly, as rest and healthcare will do you the world of good. The moon is in your sign, so get down and do what is best for you. On Thursday, it's the professional call and duty as the week begins. You'll need to be organized and authoritative, especially where family or emotionally sensitive people are concerned. The moon today will see you off as a comet as you join up with like-minded people to share ideas or enjoy group activities. You might be working on a project or a plan that might take time to realize. But with Venus swooping into your sign, your marvelous magnetism will be in full swing for this day. If you are considering a secret affair, you will draw you know who to you. Drop down a notch and take some care of yourself and your love. A good relaxing remedy for what ails you will be the path to take, as well as that you can share a whispered secret or a confidence. Be ready to entertain friends at home or get out on the town on the weekend, as you will be fired up and ready to rage. On Friday, you will have to contend with workplace adjustments, let alone problems within relationships. Your mental level will be working at a quieter pace and you will be more inclined to keep your thoughts to yourself. Nevertheless, it won't hurt to discuss problems with a close friend. Take a moment to reflect, dig deep into the subconscious and discover elements of your personality that may be holding you back. Secrets are likely to come to light during this phase. Interest in psychology, spirituality, yoga, and meditation may be helpful. Focus on your immediate circle of friends, meeting new versatile intellectual types and gaining emotional support, which will mean a great deal to you. Women may have greater influence through social groups. Take note of your inspirations, what you want to achieve further down the track to fulfill your dreams and ambitions. There's a chance of being overly possessive with those you care about. On Saturday, be ready to exert your charm and persuasive influence. It's coming up to your time. Go for a spa, go for a beauty treatment, or make yourself feel good by indulging in a new outfit. Your power of attraction will be greater over the coming days, impacting you socially and romantically, allowing room for personal development and having fun. On Sunday, your efforts of being in good health will pay you well. You feel energetic, creative, and versatile. There is purpose in your life and you want to recreate your life. You will get busy in various activities like yoga, exercise, and some healing up exercises to keep yourself fit and rejuvenated. Those suffering with serious ailments now will feel at ease. Spiritualism will help them to restore their confidence and a new spark to live a meaningful life.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.